First we solve this multiplication. 10 divided by 10 equals 1, 20 divided by 10 equals 2. That gives us 2 here, and 10 divided by 2 equals 5. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a division and a multiplication operator present. According to the rules, multiplication and division have equal level of priority, but we must work from left to right. So we need to solve this division first. 10 divided by 1 over 10. Remember, this 1 over 10 is a fraction. So this expression is 10 divided by 1 over 10 times 20. It's not 10 divided by 1 divided by 10 times 20. So it's a fraction. So when a number is getting divided by a fraction, what we can do is we can use KCF rule. Keep, change and flip. Keep means we keep 10 as it is. Change means we change the division operator to multiplication. And flip means we flip this 1 over 10 as 10 over 1. And we can simply write it as 10. And then we have times 20 present from the original expression. Now we have two multiplication operators present in this expression. We'll simply go and work from left to right. So 10 times 10, that gives us 100. And finally 100 times 20, that gives us 2000, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.